Today, I'll show you how to type vertical text in Filmora, perfect for stylish titles or cool visual effects. Let's jump in. First, go to the Titles panel and drag the default title onto your timeline. Now, select the title layer and go to the right side editing panel under the Text tab. Now, here's the trick. Instead of typing normally, you'll need to type each letter one below the other manually. For example, instead of typing Filmora in one line, type Filmora. Once done, you can adjust the font, size, and alignment to make it look perfect. If you want the text to stay centered, use the alignment options to position it properly on the screen. Additionally, you can adjust the line height value to get the desired results. And there you have it. Your text is now vertical in Filmora. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips.